Hello everyone. In this, we will see about short Condor with puts, another option trading strategy. It can be created by selling two puts, one with an exercise price E1 and another with an exercise price E4. Since we are selling, in both the cases, we'll be receiving premium P1 and P4 respectively. Then with buying two puts, one at exercise price E2 and another at exercise price E3, since we are buying here, we will be paying P2 and P3 respectively the premium. And as usual, E1 is less than E2, less than E3, less than E4. And the difference between E2 and E1 is the same as E4 and E3. Same expiry date for all the options. Considering the market price at the time of settlement to be S1, we have this payoff table. Let us see how we calculate the payoffs. Here it is a short put. That means a put option. I am not the holder. I am only the writer. Somebody else has to decide. It's a put option. Market price is larger than the largest exercise price. That means he won't exercise this option. Market price is larger than E3, which means it will be larger than E1 also. He won't exercise. Market price is what do you call, larger than E2, which means it will be larger than E1 also. It is a put option, he won't exercise. Market price is larger than his exercise price, he won't exercise. Only in this case, market price is lesser than his exercise price, he will exercise. And his payoff will be E1 minus S1, which means mine will be S1 minus. Here, market price is larger than E4, so he won't exercise. He's the holder. I mean, I'm the writer. So here it is lesser than his exercise price. He will exercise, his profit will be E4 minus S1, which means mine will be S1 minus E4. Market price is lesser than E4, which means it will be lesser than his E4 also. E3, it is lesser. So it means it is lesser than E4 also. He will exercise, his profit will be E4 minus S1. Mine will be S1 minus E4. Market price is lesser than E2, which means it will be lesser than E4 also. That means his profit will be E4 minus S1, which means mine will be S1 minus E4. Market price is lesser than the least exercise price, which means it will be lesser than E4 also. He will exercise, his profit will be E4 minus S1, which means mine will be S1 minus E4. Now, in these two columns, I am the holder, so I have to think in that way. S1 is larger than the largest exercise price, which means it will be larger than my exercise price E2. That means I will definitely exercise, and my profit will be S1 minus E2. Here again, S1 is larger than E3. I will exercise because when it is larger than E3, it will be larger than E2 also. My profit will be the same, S1 minus E2. Here, market price is larger than my exercise price. I will exercise. Market price is lesser than my exercise price. I won't exercise. Market price is lesser than least exercise price, which means it will be lesser than my exercise price also. I will not exercise. I'm sorry. Did I wrote everything wrongly? So put option. Here it is okay. This one larger than exercise price. Larger. This is okay. Here again it is a put option. Market price is larger, he won't. Market price is lesser, he will. Okay, here I have to check once again. Put option, I am the holder. Market price is larger. Oh, here I won't exercise. I'm sorry. I made a mistake here. It is a put option. Market price is larger than E4, which means it will be larger than E2 also. I won't exercise. Market price is larger than E3, which means it will be larger than E2 also. I won't exercise. Market price is larger than my exercise price. I won't exercise. Market price is lesser than my exercise price. I will exercise. My profit will be E2 minus S1. Here market price is lesser than, market price is lesser than E1, which means it will be lesser than E2 also. I will exercise. Sorry, initially I made some mistake. It's all put option. Okay. Market price is larger than the largest exercise price. I am the holder. I won't exercise. Market price is larger than my exercise price. I won't exercise. Market price lesser than my exercise price. I will exercise. My profit will be E3 minus S1. Market price is lesser than E2, which means it will be lesser than E3 also. I will exercise. Market price is lesser than least exercise price, which means it will be lesser than my exercise price also. I will exercise. Total payoff, first one will be 0. Second one will be S1 minus E4. Then next S1 and minus S1 gets cancelled. So you get E3 minus E4. The next one, S1 gets cancelled. One negative S1 will be there. Then minus E4. Then plus E2. Then plus E3. Then next one. Right. Here, 2 times S1 minus 2 times S1. That means we have minus E1 minus E4 plus E2 plus E3. Okay, so premium received. Here it is receiving P1 plus P4. Then paying premium P2 and P3. So minus P2 minus P3. Let me copy this in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our column 6. This is our column 7. This will be 6 plus 7. Column 6 plus column 7. I'm just putting a ditto there. Everywhere we have to add only. So here we can determine the break-even price because S1 is existing there. So it will have E4 minus P1 minus P4 plus P2 plus P3. What is this? This is our break-even price, S1 star. Then again, I can determine break-even price, one more break-even price here, S1 star will be equal to E2 minus E4 plus E3 and plus P1 plus P4 minus P2 minus P3. Means I'm just taking negative S1 to the other side where 0 is there, and I am writing all those things as it is. Yeah, here what happened is I took S1, retain S1 to the left side, take everything to the other side, means all the things sign will change. Negative E4 becomes positive, P1 becomes negative, P4 becomes negative, P2 becomes positive because there is a negative here, P3 becomes positive. So these are the break-even prices. In case if you find this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.